So today I'm going to talk about the Internet of Things, cloud computing, computer hardware, and open source. So the first, what's the Internet of Things? The Internet of Things in general refers to identifiable objects and their virtual representations in an Internet-like structure. Such like Google, it makes huge contributions to improve people's lives through the Internet of Things. They have many products of it. The first I want to introduce is the Nest. The Nest released a product Protect Smoke Detector, again infusing a previous designated home appliance with modern detail and function. From the Protector's hands-free slicer and voice control to a smartphone notification. The second one is the Google Glass. Google Glass can take a picture or record a video. Google Glass also can show you the text message as well as email you receive and allow you to reply to them. When you travel, you can use it to translate one language to another one. The third one is smartwatch. Smartwatch is not just a device that tells you the time and the date, and acts as a stopwatch or alarm clock. This device can work with your smartphone to provide certain phone functions such as message, notification, making a call, listening to music, and others. The second part is cloud computing. Cloud computing refers to the use of computing resources, those being hardware or software that reside on a remote machine and are delivered to the end user as a service over a network. It offers numerous advantages. The first one I want to introduce is flexibility. The second, company needs more bandwidth than usual, and the ability to quick meet business demands was an important reason to move to cloud computing. And it can make you work from anywhere as long as you have the internet access. The second one, it can save a lot of money. It's the biggest advantage of cloud computing. In general, available at much cheaper rates than traditional approaches and can significantly lower the overall IT expenses. However, being a tool, it also comes with some problems. You can get the latest updates, software updates, and revenues are also handled by the cloud vendor and occur several times a year at no cost to the customer. However, being a tool, it also comes with a set of the problems such like the privacy, security, and security is the biggest concern when it comes to cloud computing. The various stories of data loss and password leakage in the media does not help to reassure some of the most concerned users. The third part is hardware. Hardware has all of the components and then introduce the importance of the hardware. There are several hardware. I want to introduce the hardware components. There are like input devices, output device, CPU, storage device. It's like the memories, hard disk with stored data. The important part, CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Overall, a personal computer can be divided into the following major parts from point of view of functions performed. As well, as I have mentioned, the CPU is similar to human brain. Every single operation that you do with your computer is processing CPU. The performance of your computer is based on simple mathematical operation. CPU is a device that controls these operations. It's also It also acts as a calculator. CPU is similar to a calculator open but much more powerful. The main function of the CPU is to perform as logical operation on data taken from memory or information through some device. Our memory is also an important part, just like RAM. RAM is a temporary memory. The pace of thinking introduces volatile and non-volatile memory, or temporary and permanent memory. So the CPU can find data and instructions stored in a memory. Open source basically means that the source code is available or open for users and other programmers to read, use, and possibly reuse in different projects. It benefits both customers and provides to a large degree. So it can cut the cost. Free software and operating system can save hundreds of dollars on just of license free.